to continue in the same, that is form database design. Yesterday I think we finished by form control. Or the other parts of your form areas. Okay, that's it. Yesterday we are completing, we are adding control, I believe so. Form controls, yes. Okay, we are painting the background of our form. Now let us move ahead. What we need. Okay, number 4. We need to add a label. Adding a label. What we have to do? Shift to the form design view. From inside, we have to select label control. You know that from controls group. First, let us move to the design. Right click and select design view. We have been there already. Good. Then we need to add this label at the footer of the form. Adding a label at footer of form or at form footer. من تذييل النموذج مالنا. I mean this area. Okay. So the label, this is the controls group first of all. Then the label, this is text box. You have to get the difference between text box and the label. Label is just a text box to write a text, whatever that text is. This. While this text box, it needs a code. You have to add it along with the code. Okay. Yes, we need to write something. That's why we are going to select label only. Got it? So I'm going to click here, and I want to have a space somewhere here to write the text. Okay. Then I want to write this form as designed by me. For example, design and write your name. That's it. So after that, you can format this text and you move to the format. Then suitable font type, whatever you like, it's up to you again. I'm going to select this one, Warderian. I'm going to increase the size a little bit. I need it to be italic, bold. Then I'm going to add some type of color, such way like this. Let me increase the font a little bit. Then I will save last updates and I will have a look. So that is what happened over here. This one designed by me. Maybe I need to increase the font a little bit again. Let me make it 14. This is 14. So let us make it 16. Such way like this. That's it. As simple as can. Okay. So this is adding a label. After taking the control, drag inside the form, drag over the form footer area, write the text you want, and format it. اعمل ايش؟ اعمل لي مساحه واكتب فيها النص اللي انا اريد، ثم بعد ذلك اعمل التنسيق اللي انا اريد. بهذه الكيفيه we are completing adding a label to our form. I need it in the footer area, but you can add it anywhere. You can add it in the header area, you can add it in the detail area, you can add it in the footer area. We have 3 different areas, right? So we can add this label wherever we want. It doesn't necessary to be over here, but some people prefer it to be at this place, and that's why we need it here. Got it? That's it. Then let us move to other control. In fact, it is not a control. I want to add data and time. So adding data and time. Okay, we will list it within the same. Adding date and time to your form header. Guess again. I need it in this area, but actually by default it will be added to the form header. يعني افتراضا بيتم إضافة التاريخ والوقت على رأس النموذج أولا. ثانيا بالإمكان we can add date separately or we can add time separately, and we can add both of them at the same time. So we have to be aware about these things. بالإمكان إضافة الوقت لحاله، بالإمكان إضافة التاريخ لحاله، وبالإمكان إضافتهم بالاثنين افتراضا. This is very important. افتراضا بيتم إضافتهم فين؟ من على رأس النموذج، لكن بالإمكان نقلهم كمان مرة ثانية للمكان اللي نحن نريد. So the first task that we have to shift to the form design view. Yes. Then click on date and time. Tool. This is a tool. Okay. So I'm going to do that when I'm shifting to the design view. Before I am in form layout, now I want to move it to design view. Okay. Right click, then design view. I'm in the design view. After that, this is date and time. Wherever you, at the moment you click over there, you have to select the format. Select the date formats. Okay, so select the format you want. هنختار النسق اللي تريد. Then that is including date and time. Then you have to confirm that by OK. Plus, if you don't want time, so just remove it. Okay, select first of all. Select, do you want to add date or time? Select either date or time. Date, time, or both of them. Or both. That's all. That's it. It is clear. Okay, such way. Select date, time, or both, whatever you want. Then select the format you want. I don't want to include the time, just I want to include the date. That's it. And by which way do you want it? I need it full format. That is Tuesday, May 4th, 2021. Yes, I like this one. So as I told you, automatically will be added at the header of your form. This way it is over here, but I don't want it here. So I need to move it to the design, to the footer, to the form footer. So I will cut it, then I will paste it somewhere here. It will be to the left side. I want to keep it here in parallel to the label. I'm going to add some format by the same way like this one to be clear. Yeah, I will do such a way. I'm going to increase the font. I need it completely black. Then let us have a look such a way.